Sometimes old things look useless, but with a little love and effort, they can be brought back to life. Today we're going to restore this rusty old chopper and make it look brand new again. First, we start by removing all the rust and dirt. Using a wire brush and some tools, the rust slowly comes off, revealing the real metal hidden underneath. Now it's time to sharpen and polish the blade. With the help of grinding and polishing machines, the surface starts to shine, just like a freshly crafted blade. To make sure it cuts perfectly, we carefully measure and shape the blade. This brings back the balance and precision it once had. And here it is. What was once a rusty, worn-out chopper has now been transformed into a powerful, brand new tool. With some effort and creativity, anything old can be given new life. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to hit the like and share button. And for more creative restoration videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.